Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about pH meter and how to calibrate pH meter. This is your digital pH meter. What is pH full form and definition of pH? The full form of pH is the potential of hydrogen. The negative logarithm of the concentration of H plus ion is known as pH. As a result, the meaning of pH is defined as the strength or power of hydrogen. The concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution, or pH, is a measure of the solution's acidity or basicity. pH is equals to minus log 10, H plus. Your solution's pH is acidic as the H plus concentration increases. Your solution's pH is basic as the H plus concentration decreases. This is the glass electrode. A glass electrode is a type of ion-selective electrode made of a doped glass membrane that is sensitive to a specific ion. The most common application of ion-selective glass electrodes is for the measurement of pH. The pH electrode is an example of a glass electrode that is sensitive to hydrogen ions. Now let's discuss in detail about parts of pH meter. This is the functional knob which has a 3-mode, pH mode, standby mode, and MV mode. If you want to measure the pH, then rotate this knob on pH mode. This is the temperature setting knob from which you can set the temperature. This knob is used for the calibration of pH meter. This is the glass electrode which is dipped in distilled water. This is the display for reading. Working and calibration. What do you use to calibrate a pH meter? So for that, let's first understand what is the buffer solution. A buffer solution, more precisely, pH buffer or hydrogen ion buffer, is an acid or a base aqueous solution consisting of a mixture of a weak acid and its conjugate base, or vice versa. Its pH changes very little when a small amount of strong acid or base is added to it. Buffer solutions are used as a means of keeping pH at a nearly constant value in a wide variety of chemical applications. To calibrate a pH meter, you will need two types of buffer solutions, pH 7 and pH 4. These buffer solutions help you with displaying the right pH values, because when you use a pH meter you want to be sure that the pH meter displays the right measurement. You use the buffer solutions with known pH, so you can adjust the meter. First start with pH 7 buffer solution and then pH 4 buffer solution. These buffer solutions help you with displaying the right pH values, because when you use a pH meter you want to be sure that the pH meter displays the right measurement. You use the buffer solutions with known pH, so you can adjust the meter. First start with pH 7 buffer solution and then pH 4 buffer solution. However, make sure to use fresh buffer solution for each pH meter calibration. First place the electrode in the pH 7 solution. After approximately 1 minute the measurement will be stable. The meter should indicate a pH value of 7.0. If this is not the case, then establish the pH meter at this value. You can calibrate a pH meter as follows. Rinse the electrode well with demineralized water and then place the electrode in the pH 4 buffer solution. Repeat these steps until a reliable measurement is obtained. The pH meter will then indicate a value by measuring the pH 4 solution. The further this value is from the pH 4 value, the greater the discrepancy of your measuring instrument. If you like this video then like, share and subscribe this channel.